In the noise of the city that never slows down, we're still trying hard to meet on common ground. You hold my hand and say, baby, don't doubt. Love may be simple, but it's the truest I've found. Sometimes we drift apart, lost in our own ways, but somehow our hearts still choose to stay. Don't get tired, don't lose our faith. Love survives when both decide to stay. Hold on to our promise, don't let it fade. All the way to the aisle, we'll keep the faith. Guard our love strongly, don't ever sway. Our hearts stay loyal even when the world changes. Oh, 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 all the way to the each other when life feels heavy. You said I want you with me till the end. Simple words that made my soul stand again. If the wind comes trying to turn your mind, remember my arms, you always come back to find. We're not the perfect lovers in this world of ours, but we can be each other's safest heart. Hold on to our promise, don't let it fade. All the way to the aisle, we'll keep the faith. Guard our love strongly, don't ever sway. Our hearts stay loyal even when the world changes. Oh, oh, all the way to the aisle. Let the night be the witness when you whisper my name in silence. We'll face the days side by side till we're old, till the vows are tied. Hold me even tighter, don't ever let go. All the way to the aisle, let our love grow. Guard our devotion, let the chaos shout.